Hey there, and welcome to Fynd CORE. In this tutorial, we'll guide you through creating your very first interactive VR training scenario using action nodes. Head over to the Environments tab on the left, browse through the available scenes and activate one you like. Open the object library and drag in a few props, maybe a chess piece or a control knob. Placing realistic objects helps make the training feel more immersive. Set up scene interactable objects. If your environment has built-in tools like buttons, sliders, or rotators, this is your moment to configure them. Open the Scenario Builder. Click the Scenario Builder tab in the top right corner. Then hit Create New Project and give your scenario a name. Name your scenario and transition. Inside the scenario flow, name your scenario clearly. For example, Machine Setup. Then, add a transition node with a title text. Add an ending node. Click the plus icon below the transition node and select Ending. Click Open Scenario. Find the Situation node and click Save. This remembers your current object layout and scene configuration. Add a text box node. Write a title, and choose where it appears, either in front of the user or in a fixed spot. This is great for onboarding or giving instructions. Time to get interactive. Click on Action Node. Give it a clear title like, First, let's try Grab. Select an object, for example, the Black Queen, and assign an interaction type, either grab or touch. Add more action nodes. Each one can control a new object like sliders, doors, or buttons. This lets you guide learners through tasks step by step. Wrap it all up with another text box node. Leave a final message such as, "Thank you." You can highlight areas for final feedback or visual emphasis. Add an end node. Link it to the transition you created earlier. This makes sure your scenario finishes cleanly and avoids dangling node. Click on the Scenario Player icon, then hit Start Scenario to experience everything you've built. And that's it. You've built a complete, interactive training scenario in Fynd CORE